How to fix the application was unable to start correctly 0xc000007b in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. So if you want to fix this error, then first you need to open up a browser. Once you open up your browser, now you need to go with the search and search for Visual C Runtime AIO. And then hit the search and go with the first option. And it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply click on download, which is here on the left side. Click on download and you need to choose the country. So for example, I'll be choosing Tech Power Up UK and wait for it to download. It might take some time to download. Now once it's downloaded, you can simply click on that and try to extract it with zip or your WinRAR. Right click on that file and then go with extract all, and here choose the location and then go with extract. Now go with install all, right click on it and then go with run as administrator and then click on yes, and this kind of page will appear. Wait for some time till it extracts all of that, and once you've done that, you can simply restart your computer, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the application was unable to install correctly. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.